Hi all, how are you? I hope that you are all fine. I know that these are hard times for every one of us because of the pandemic, but I hope that you are all safe and healthy. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Ma'am Rhoda, that's my nickname. Ma'am Rhoda, Rhoda. My family name is Diaf. I would like to welcome all of you to Science 8. Let's all keep calm and learn science. Are you ready? I hope that you are all ready. Let's get started. Now, I want to give you a short background about science education way back when there was no K to 12. So, before we have first year until fourth year, high school, there was no senior high school before. So, during first year, we would discuss about mm, earth science. On our second year, we would be discussing about biology. And during third year, we would be discussing about chemistry. And last, when you're already in fourth year, you would discuss about physics. And then, no more next years. There was no senior high school. But now, because of the K to 12, we already have senior high school. So that means if you become a senior high school student, you would still be discussing about science, okay? Welcome to grade 8 science. I would like to remind you that here in grade 8 we have 4 grading periods. For first grading, we would be discussing about physics. Second, we will be having earth and space. For the third quarter, we would have chemistry. And last, we would have biology. Now I want to know, what is your reaction if you see or hear the word physics? Do you know FB reactions? Like this? I want to see your face. I want to know what your reactions are. Let me see. Oh, maybe some of you are sad. Because if you hear the word physics, you would be like afraid and physics is a difficult subject. But no, don't worry. Because I, Mom Rhoda, will help you learn more about physics. Okay? Ready? So before we start our new lesson, we would have a warm-up activity. Okay? I want you all to watch this video. So the objectives for our lesson would be for you students to be able to define force. Second, for you to identify the magnitude and the direction of forces. Third is to differentiate what is balanced and unbalanced forces. Force, many people would say and think that force is a push or a pull, and that is a very basic definition about it. But since you're already in grade 8, I want you to understand deeply what is force. So, force is not only the push and pull of things, but it is the cause of objects to move. For it to stop moving or to change its direction. Remember, forces comes in pairs. And also, you have to remember that all forces have its own magnitude and direction. Mom, what is magnitude? Can you see on the example? I have there 5n north. So if you see that, if you see the word or the number 5, you would just get it and you would put it into a table because it's the magnitude of the force. And you have to look at the arrowhead for you to know the direction. Since it's pointing up, that means it's in north. That's very easy. So I want you to focus, okay? And you should always remember that magnitude is the size of the force, okay? Next, the direction can be north, south, east, or west. It all depends upon where the arrowhead is pointing, okay? For example, again, okay, 5 and north. 5 is the magnitude and the direction is north. It's very good, children. Okay, now let's try some practice exercises. Okay, be ready. It's very easy. You can do it. Now, what you're gonna do is to answer what is the magnitude and the direction of the forces. And you will see that there's a force 1 and force 2, F1 and F2. That's very easy. Time to think. For force 1, what is the magnitude? How much? Oh, 5n. And the direction is going to the right. That means it's east. Clear? Now, what is force 2? What is the magnitude of force 2? Yes, it's 10. That's 10n. Always remember to add n. That's the symbol. That's for Newton, okay? Next, we have, what is the direction for force 2? Again, it's going to the right, so that means it's east. Okay? Now for number 2. For force 1, what is the magnitude? Yes, it's 8 Newton. Then what is the direction? It's going to the right, then that means it's going east. Then, for force 2, what is the magnitude? It's 4 Newton. Correct. Then what is the direction? It's going to the left, and that means it's going west. Clear? Now we have for number 3. For force 1, what is the magnitude? It's 12 Newton. And for force 2, the magnitude is 3 Newton. Next, what is the direction for force 1? Where is it going? It's going up. It's going up means it's going north. And for force 2, the direction is going down. So that means it's going south. Okay? Told you it's very easy. I hope it's clear. It's a very easy lesson. It's just a review.